Manage access to your property from anywhere with Smart Lock Control. Remotely lock or unlock your doors directly through our mobile app, making it easy to let visitors in without having to be there. Unique lock codes allow you to give trusted individuals the freedom to come and go without sacrificing security or control. Set schedules for each user and enable real-time alerts so you know who has access to your home and when. And because you can easily create and disable codes at any time, there's no need to rekey or change your locks. Easily integrate smart locks into a scene where a single command controls multiple devices. Activate a bedtime scene, for example, to lock your doors, arm your security system, and turn off your lights, all with the touch of a button. With smart locks, you'll never have to wonder if you remembered to secure your home. If you ever leave without locking the door, an alert will be sent letting you know, so that you can secure it remotely through the app with the touch of a button. Get Smart Lock Control today and stay connected to your property.